Hey YouTube, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode with this cool material right here, and basically what this is a rabbit fox fur throw blanket. So definitely use this on your bed, or if you guys want to use this on your couch or sofa, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And obviously for this product, it comes in many different sizes. Whether you guys want twin size, queen size, king size, and the list goes on. And also for this product, actually have in many different colors as well. The one that we got right here is a coffee color, but I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first get the product, you can see how it's all nicely compressed and all wrapped up. So let's take it out first. Alright, so you see that once we take it out, this is basically what the packaging looks like. And we got a twin size, which is 60 by 80 inches. And definitely when you guys see the material or feel the material right here, it feels really nice and super soft with that firm material that's on here. But I'm actually take this out to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Definitely feels really nice with that firm material that they have on here. But I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open it up, this is basically what the product looks like. So definitely have a very nice pattern or design right here. You can see it's kind of like a striped design on the actual product right here. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really nice. And when you guys flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. So definitely it is a reversible design blanket. So whether you guys want to use it on this side or if you guys want to use it on the other side, that is up to you guys. But you definitely have both options available. And obviously if it's your first time using this product, you definitely want to wash it and dry it first before you guys use it. So you definitely use warm water to actually wash it. And when you guys actually dry it, you guys want to tumble dry on low, using low temperature. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys first get it. Let me actually roll this into the machine to wash it and dry it first. And we'll also show you guys what it actually looks like when we actually test it out. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished washing and drying the blanket that we have right here. If you can see, it definitely looks very nice. So I'm actually hop on here and show you guys what it actually looks like and describe how it feels first. Alright. So once we hop on here, it definitely feels really nice. I definitely love the firm material on here. It actually feels really nice and really soft. But for the inner layer, it actually feels pretty nice as well. It definitely feels really warm inside right here. But there's something about the firm material that they have on the outside layer right here that feels really, really soft that the inner layer does not have. And you see for the blanket, it actually has a good coverage from top to bottom and also on the side as well to keep you warm. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys actually use it on this side. Let me actually flip it to the other side and show you guys what that side actually looks like as well. Alright, so when we actually flip it to the other side, you guys can see there's no like design or anything on here. So this was the fabric that I just felt just now when I actually tried it. So I'm actually hop on again and try again to see what it actually feels like on this side. Alright, so once we actually try on this side, it actually feels a little bit different. It definitely feels pretty warm, but there's something about this side when I actually put it on, it feels a little bit more warmer than the other side. But the inside layer right here actually feels really nice. It definitely has like that really soft texture on here that actually feels really, really soft. It kind of gives you guys that feeling of like getting hugged from a pet or something because that firm material on here, which is pretty interesting. But basically when you guys try on this side, it's basically the same thing. It has cover from top to bottom, and this basically actually looks like this side. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work. It actually works quite well. It definitely feels really nice once you guys actually use the product. So like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to use this on your sofa, if you guys want to use this on your couch, if you guys want to use this on your bed, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But I do recommend using this during like the winter season or when it's actually much colder, because this actually will keep you guys much warmer. If you guys want to use it in the summertime, you probably can as well, but it definitely will keep you guys pretty warm. So you probably need to take it off here and there. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality blanket that has like that thick firm material on here, that's reversible, that can use during the winter season or when it's kind of cold, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.